the Drake family. I got Judah here with me. Say, what's up, Judah? And then I got Lukey back here. We just got over the flu, and we just found out that coronavirus is in Miami, and it's spreading all across the country. So I'm a germaphobe, my wife's not, but I do not like germs. I kept the other 4 of us healthy, myself, my oldest son, my daughter, and Luke. So none of us got the flu, but I used up all my Lysol in the house to do so. So I sprayed like every day, got it disinfected, and we stayed healthy. Well, anyways, when I went to the store to get some more Lysol, because now we want to stay corona-free, turns out there's no disinfectant spray. So what do? I looked online and I found this cool recipe for making your own disinfectant spray. So we're going to show you how to do that today. You ready, Judah? Okay. So the first thing you got to do is you got to get yourself just a spray bottle, like this, commercial spray bottle. Show them that bottle, Judah. Show them. Yeah, spray it. Good. All right. That is my test spray that I made last night, and it worked great. All right. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna open it up, and we got our bottle ready. Luke, you hold that. Now, there's no alcohol anywhere out there because all the disinfectant is sold out. So this is what you need. Some. This is Heidi's personal stash. I'm just kidding. She doesn't drink. I went to the liquor store for the first time yesterday, and I got vodka. I said, "What's your most powerful vodka?" They said, "This is 150 proof, meaning it's at least 75% alcohol." So if you can't find rubbing alcohol, you get some vodka. So what you do is you take this. You'll need a measuring cup, but for all intended purposes, you just need about half a cup in there. All right, you hold that, Judah. Oh, I lost my partner. Come back here, Judah. It's okay. So that's our disinfectant. So alcohol has disinfectant properties. It'll do the same thing as Lysol. Then I got some white vinegar, very common. You can find this at the grocery store still. This basically has antibacterial. You put in the same amount of vinegar that you did rubbing alcohol. All right, so there we go right there. Some people suggest putting water in there to water it down, but I want to kill bacteria and viruses full force, so I'm not interested in watering it down. And also the alcohol vaporizes better than water than anyway when I spray it. Then I've got 2 essential oils that I'm adding. This is lavender. It just smells fantastic. So I'm only going to add 5 drops of lavender. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And not only does that smell great, but lavender has some good properties, like it'll kill foodborne pathogens, so that's a good thing. And there, we got some thyme. This stuff has a real strong smell. I don't like it in particular, but it's also got some antimicrobodies in it, so it'll kill things like staph infection, and it also smells better than alcohol and vinegar. And then last but not least is I've got just a little bit of a lemon peel. I'll throw that in there. You can let it sit in there overnight if you want, and then it has a nice little lemon zest to it. So let's smell that. Hey, not too bad. All right. So now we'll put our cap on. Yes, you may. All right, Judah. Now, Isaiah is covered in germs, so spray him down. All right. So anyways, that's how you make your own Lysol at home disinfectant spray. You can use this on surfaces or in the air, and it should kill any germs and bacteria in your home. So anyways, if you have any questions, leave some comments below, but we wish you luck and hope you stay healthy during this corona scare. Bye.